Good day. This is my presentation for the image classifier assignment using Microsoft Azure Cognitive Services. I'll start off by creating my account in Microsoft Azure, and this is where I'll create my project. So I'm just gonna go through the steps to show you how to run this. So I'm just gonna click on New Project. My idea is to create a project where I can classify uh, cooking contraptions, preferably uh, electric stoves, gas cookers, and a grill. So I'm just putting in the parameters for the project that I'm creating. I'm going to make my classification type as a multi-label, and I'm just going to click on create project here. Uh, so having created my project, I'm going to create tags that I'm going to use to classify the images that I will be using for this project. Firstly, I'll start with my general tag, which will be for the cooker itself. And then I'm going to create the three other tags. One will be for the electric stove, the other will be for the gas cooker or gas stove, and finally I'm going to create a tag for the grill. Okay, so here are the four tags that I created. I haven't done that. I'm going to add my images as stipulated. You've said you want us to have three groups of 7. So I'm just going to click on add images. So I have already downloaded a couple of images. For this, I'll start with the ones that I have for the electric stove. Just going to select everything, click on open, and I'm going to add my tags. So the general tag is this is part of the cookers, and specific tag for this would be for the electric stove. And those are the 7 files that are being uploaded. They were uploaded successfully, and the tags have been added. As we can see, we have 7 images tagged with cooker, and 7 of them are also tagged as electric stoves. I'm going to add another tag. I'm going to upload other images. Let me see here. I'm going to upload the one for the gas cookers. Same process. I'm going to select all the images, click on them. I'm going to add my tags. The general tag is cooker, and this is for the gas cookers. Uploaded them. My images were uploaded successfully. As you can see here that we now have 14, which I classified with the general classification, which is cooker, and for the gas I have the 7 that I've just uploaded. I'm going to repeat the same process for the final set of images, which is going to be for my grills. I have the grill images here. Select them. The general classification is cooker, and the specific classification for this set of images is for the grill. I'm going to upload the 7 images, and I'm going to click on done. And now we have, from the left, we can see 21 images that are tagged as cooker, 7 each for the 3 classifications of electric stove, gas cooker, and grill. Alright, so now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is to train. And I'm going to select quick training. So it's going through the iteration, and the application is looking through all the images that I have uploaded as well as the tags that have been assigned, and it's going to use this to show what the performance is going to look like. I'm gonna pause my recording here just to save some time because I don't know how long this will take. Alright, I haven't waited a couple of minutes. I can see now that my data has been trained, and it shows me the results of the training. My image count is here. My precision is telling me it's at 100%. For my recall, it's at 83.3%. And my AP is at 95.6%. So if I scroll over here, it gives you a bit of the idea what these different classifications mean. So for precision, it tells me if the type predicted by my model, how likely is it to be right. So by precision and likelihood of it being right by my model, it's at 100%. Recall tells you if the tags that you put has been predicted correctly, what percent did your model correctly find. So about 83%. That's comparing the veracity of my tagging. And for AP, which is a measure of the model performance, it summarizes the precision and the recall at a different threshold. So this is the result of my training. And if I'm looking to test out my model that I have created, so remember that the model I created basically deals with cooking contraptions, cookers, and I had the main tag for cooker and 3 sub tags for electric stove, gas cooker, and grill. So thinking of testing this by using an image of a fireplace. So I'm just going to run a quick test here. If I click on quick test and browse to the image of a fireplace, I believe I do have one here. Okay, as you can see, this is a fireplace, and it tells me the predictions here. So in terms of the cooker tag, it says this is about 87% likely to be a cooker. For grill, it says it's likely to be a grill about 42%. It being electric stove is about 32.5%, and a gas cooker at about 31%. This makes sense. It is a fireplace. It is a heat source. We can see fire. We can see wood. Even though it's not created to cook food, it does produce heat as well. So definitely, yeah, I can understand why it could be predicted as a cooker. It's much closer to working like a grill as compared to working as a stove or a gas cooker. And that's why the probability is a grill is higher as than when compared to that of it being an electric stove or a gas cooker. Alright, so this is the results of my tests, and we can see if we circle back to what we've had before, that we pretty much, let's see what this note says. Unbalanced data detected, visual image per tag should be uniform to ensure model performance. Well, we have 7 images each, so I guess that has to do with the fact that the cooker tag is at 21%. That will be all for my presentation today. Thank you for your time. Feel free to give me your comments, and thank you for the opportunity once again to learn. Have a great day.